Hey guys, this is the new video in my channel Flattered with Flutter. This video focuses on PWAs and integration with Google Pay. This part I would show the Google Pay version API version 1. So let's proceed. So this app is deployed using WebServer for Chrome as posted in the link below in my website details. All the steps have been mentioned. Please go through that. So let's click on buy with GPay. It shows my account and its credit card or debit card linked. Click on continue. So this renders me or gives me a token which confirms my payment. So now let's see the same API but with API version 2. For that I would need to change my HTML. So again I would reload. Now this application uses Google API version 2. I also deployed on WebServer for Chrome and the steps are given in my website link below. So let's click on this and buy with GPay. Again shows my details with the debit card or credit card attached. Click on continue. So now I would like to click on the card details for further like what to know what is my transaction info. So this was my payment token. This is my billing address, my locality and my phone number as registered in my Google account. Click on OK. So that's it. In this video you see the integration of Google Pay with API version 1 as well as 2. That's it from this video guys. Thank you.